Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I thought they'd like respond. They're so used to the camera they don't even look up. Yeah, so it's a very late start for us this morning. We've had a lazy day. Most of us, well, we all need our hair washing, but we decided if we started doing all that now, we wouldn't get much time with James before he has to go to work. So we are heading out for a late breakfast and then going out for a picnic, and we're taking you along with us. We are here at the garden centre and we're gonna go and find out how good this breakfast is. According to TripAdvisor, it's the best breakfast in Preston. We will see if that's true. So we've come to Maple Leaf Cafe, which is in Duxburys Garden Centre, and there's a little play area outside, so we've ordered and we've actually got a deal that we didn't expect, so that's quite good. It was like 2 breakfasts for £9.99 rather than paying $6.99 each, so it's a bonus that we didn't expect. And what are you doing now? They're playing on the play area while we wait for breakfast, so I think it's a good deal. I'm just having to stay and guard the table though.
The play area is like there.
She's there. You see out the window, yeah. So yeah, I'm having to stay and guard the table and wait for breakfast, and James is watching them because it does lead into the actual garden centre, so like anyone could be there. So yeah, he's staying with the kids and I'm guarding the table waiting for the food. We are in the bird sanctuary, birds of prey, not sure. And for all 6 of us it came to £20, which I think is quite good. Look! But yeah, we're just heading straight down to the display and we'll have to look at everything on the way back.
What's that thing?
It's
I
an owl.
lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Watching the birds today, and one of them is so fast, faster than all of them. We're just gonna watch all of them birds, even the falcons.
World of fire,
I'm Rocky.
you're my heart's desire.
So cute.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
We enjoyed watching the birds. The falcons don't fly at the moment because some of them are molting, so we'll have to come back in a few weeks. So we're now going to get some picnic bits, and go and have some food together before James has to go to work. We have come to Cuerden Valley Park, which is just near where we live, to have our picnic. We were at the garden centre a lot longer than we planned because we ended up at the bird sanctuary. So we just quickly nipped at Aldi to grab some extra bits for our picnic that my mum made us yesterday, and we're just heading to find a nice little spot near the water just to eat, really, and for the kids to have a run around. We've only got about an hour before James needs to go to work, so it's a bit rushed really, but they enjoyed seeing the birds, so that was worth it.
Shove our faces.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Daddy does insects on the food. No. Do I have a clean face?
Mmm.
Let me give Ashley a nice kiss.
No, thank you. But because I was putting my face in my cake.
Give Mum a kiss.
No.
It's like my favourite things. Strawberries and grapes and chocolate, especially chocolate.
We've had a lovely little picnic, but it was short and sweet because we need to get James back to work now. And then I think the geezer guys are gonna just have a chilled movie night, and I'm gonna get on with some work. So I'm gonna end the vlog here actually, if anyone wants to come say bye. So we will see you again next time.
Bye. Bye.